Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can install Ollama in VS Code. So recently Ollama just released their own official VS Code extension, which means now you can use it to chat with your local AI models directly inside VS Code. And it's very simple to install. You just have to click on extensions in your VS Code. You want to search for Ollama, and then it's this first option, ollama.com. You want to install this. And now once this is installed, you can open this agent on the right side. If you don't see the chat right away, you can minimize the app and you should see this toolbar at the top. And you want to click on this toggle secondary sidebar, which will enable this chat. And here, if you click on this auto, then manage models. Here you should be able to see the Ollama, your models, but firstly you need to have Ollama installed on your device. So you want to go to Ollama. If you don't have Ollama, then on their official website you can install it through the terminal. So you just want to copy this code and you want to paste it in the terminal. So this is for the macOS. I'm going to paste it in and it will install, or you can click on this download Ollama and you can download basically the installer and then install it. And once you have Ollama installed, you want to make sure you have Ollama running. So it should look like something like this. So this is my Ollama. And also you need to install some modules if you want to use them, like here. So you can see I have 3 modules. And to install some modules, you can just select the modules here. Here you can see some most popular ones which you can download. So for example, if I click on this Gwen 3.6, I'm going to type some message. It will start downloading the model. As you can see, this one has 22 gigabytes. But in case you want to download or install specific model, you need to go to the library of the Ollama. So you want to type ollama.com/library, and here you can find many different models. So firstly, let's say I'm going to show you how this works. So here I have this Gemma for 12 billions size as an example. And here you should see your model or under other models. So I'm going to choose Gemma for 12 billions. Now I can type something and it's going to give you an answer. As you can see, this is pretty simple question. It's just hi, and it's taking pretty long. This means because this is just 12 billions like size of the model. And this number basically means how smart the model is. So larger or bigger number means the model is smarter, but also it's going to consume more RAM. So for example, for this 12B, you need to have around 16 gigabytes of RAM on your computer. So that's why I'm using this one, because I don't have more currently on my macOS. But if you have maybe 32 gigabytes RAM, you can install a larger model. So I'm going to show you how you can install even better model. So you want to go to Ollama library. We want to find a model which you want to install. So here I found this Gemma 4. You can see the text here. So you can see all of the versions or the sizes of the models they have. So if I click on it, you can scroll and you can see they have, for example, 31 billions. But this comes with also a larger size. So this has 20 gigabytes. And if you want to install this one, you need to copy this name. Just click on this icon next to it. We want to go to our terminal. If you're on Windows, you're going to use CMD, command prompt, but I'm on Mac, so I will use terminal. And here in the terminal, you want to type Ollama pool and then paste the model name. Now it's going to install this model. As you can see, in my case, it will take around half hour. And once this is going to be installed, you can go back to the Visual Studio Code, you can restart it, and you'll be able to find it in your models. Now later, if you're gonna have maybe more models and you are not going to use all of them, what you can do, you can free up your space by deleting them. So you can open your terminal, you can type Ollama list to see all of your models which you have installed. So here you can see all of the models I have installed on my computer. You can see the sizes, when this was modified. What I can do, I can simply highlight and copy the text by using Ctrl C. I'm going to type Ollama RM and then paste the model name, press enter, and it will remove this model, so you will no longer have this in your computer and you can install different model. And that's it for this video. So you have a completely free private AI assistant running locally inside VS Code. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.